Give me a few minutes and I'll show you a clean, rules-based way to trade trend reversals without guessing. We'll use fair value bands to spot stretched moves, a reversal indicator to mark the exact turn, and the built-in volume with MA to confirm participation so we're not fading a strong trend blindly. I'm demonstrating on a standard chart on 1-hour time frame, but the workflow works on any liquid market and any time frame. Risk to reward is fixed at 1 to 1.5, so results are easy to compare. I'll add the tools, lock the settings, run the long checklist with a live style example, then the short checklist with an example, and wrap with a quick recap you can copy step by step. While you're watching this, Supernova AI bot is already trading, managing risk, and generating passive profit 24/5 on full autopilot. No experience needed, Myfxbook-verified, up to 15% monthly returns. Don't fall behind. Get Supernova now. Link in the description. Okay, back to the chart. Adding indicators. Open indicators on TradingView. Add fair value bands by Quantify tools. Add reversal indicator by Strategical charts. Add volume built in under technicals. 3 tools, 3 jobs. Fair value bands show when price is at fair value or stretched. Reversal indicator gives the checkmark signal at the turn of the trend. And volume confirms there's enough participation to push the move. Indicator settings. Fair value bands. Quantify tools. Open settings. Set data source to the close price of a simple moving average. Reduce the SMA length to 5 to make bands more sensitive. Style tab. Uncheck everything except Extreme Fair Value Deviation Band Upfill and Extreme Fair Value Deviation Band Downfill. Increase both fills to 50% opacity and click OK. Reading rule. The middle line is the mean, fair value. The farther price travels into the extreme bands, the higher the probability of mean reversion or a full reversal. Reversal indicator, strategical charts. This tool labels candles with R where price tags the outer Bollinger areas. Sky blue R suggests a bullish reversal. Yellow R suggests a bearish reversal. Only act when an R is followed by a checkmark, confirmation that the next candle follows through. Open settings and disable candle color changes. We don't need them. Volume, built in. Double-click Volume, Style tab, enable Volume MA, and set the line color to white. Reading rule. Only take trades when the most recent volume bar closes above its white MA. Green bar for longs, red bar for shorts. That's your participation gate. Execution rules for all trades. Act on closed candles and execute on the next candle open. Stop goes beyond recent structure, below the most recent meaningful swing low for longs, above the most recent meaningful swing high for shorts. Target is always 1.5 R, 1.5 times the initial risk. If any filter is missing at the close, skip it. No debate. Long setup checklist. First, location. Price pulls into or touches the lower extreme band of the fair value bands. That's your oversold in context clue. Second, reversal mark. The reversal indicator prints a sky blue R followed by a checkmark. The checkmark is the go, no-go. Third, participation. On the entry bar, the volume bar is green and above its white MA. When all 3 are true at candle close, enter long on the next open, set the stop below the pullback swing low, and set take profit at 1.5 R. Long example. Price presses into the lower extreme band and stalls. The reversal indicator prints sky blue R, then a check mark on the confirming candle. The same bar shows green volume above the MA. All boxes checked at the close, so we buy next open. Tuck the stop under the obvious pivot, not a tiny wick, and fix the target at 1.5 R. Typical path: a brief retest toward the inner channel, then a pushback toward the mean line as price normalizes. Short setup checklist. First, location. Price rallies into or touches the upper extreme band of the fair value bands. That's your overbought in context clue. Second, reversal mark. The reversal indicator prints a yellow R followed by a check mark. Third, participation. On the entry bar, the volume bar is red and above its white MA. When all three align at the close, enter short on the next open, place the stop above the bounce swing high, and target 1.5 R. Short example. Price stretches into the upper extreme band and hesitates. The reversal indicator prints a yellow R, and the next bar confirms with a check mark. Volume closes red and above its MA, so participation is there. We sell next open, park the stop above the bounce pivot, and aim for 1.5 R. Two common paths: a clean drift back toward the mean line through the inner channel, or a snap that knocks out the stop. Both are part of the profile. The edge is from taking only fully confirmed R plus checkmark with volume at the extreme. Final recap. Direction here is reversion driven, not trend following. Location from fair value bands. Trade only when price tags the extreme lower band, long, or extreme upper band, short. Precision from the reversal indicator. R plus a check mark is mandatory. Participation from volume. Entry bar must be above the volume MA, and the bar color must match the trade direction. Execution. Confirm on the close. Enter next open. Stop beyond structure. Target 1.5 R. If any box is unchecked, no trade. Trade the plan, not the impulse, and let the next 50 to 100 trades show the edge.